morning, students. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, now today our class started second period. In the morning, you studied Hindi. Always, actually, generally, I take first period. It starts at 8 o'clock. But today, only the first time, I am taking class at 9 o'clock. So I welcome you in today's our online class. I hope that you are enjoying all these classes and studying sincerely. Now after some few days, exam will be also there. So you have to be punctual for your studies, revisions, everything. Whatever you have to do seriously and sincerely. Okay. So once again, without now wasting time, I begin my today's class. So Standard 7 English topic, chasing the sea monster. This is the remaining lesson of this topic. Last Friday, we completed half of the lesson and remaining lesson we are going to complete today. You know my name is very well because continuously I am taking your English class. My name is Vinayak Valvaikar. Now let us see today's quote. What is quote that we are going to see? This is our today's quote. Now, Asta.
Yes, sir.
Read this quote. Today's quote.
If you really want to do something, you will find a way. If you don't, you will find excuses.
Excuses. Okay, Asta. तू अर्थ तुला समजला सांगू शकशील का तू याचा अर्थ या सुविचारचा? जमते का? बरं, जमत असेल तर हो बोल. कोण? धनश्री. धनश्री सांग बरं.
तुम्हाला खरंच काही करण्याची इच्छा असेल तर तुम्हाला मार्ग सापडतो, परंतु जर ते तुम्हाला करायचं नसेल तर त्यासाठी तुम्ही कारणे शोधता.
राईट, व्हेरी गुड धनश्री, व्हेरी नाईस, व्हेरी नाईस. Not even a single mistake you made in translation. Absolutely 101% you are correct. Okay, very good. So if you really want to do something, जर तुम्हाला खरोखर काही करायचं असेल, खरोखर रिअली, तर you will find a way. तर तुम्हाला काय हे मार्ग सापडेल. You will find a way. If you don't, बघा कॉमा आहे, if you don't, पण जर तुम्हाला करायचं नसेल तर यू विल फाइंड एक्सक्युजेस. जर तुम्हाला करायचं नसेल तर तुम्ही काय आहे त्यासाठी बहाणे शोधाल, कारण शोधाल न करण्यासाठी. सो दिस इज द डे टू डे लाईफ. वी नो व्हेरी वेल की आपल्याला बऱ्याच गोष्टी करायच्या असतात, तिकडे बरोबर आपल्याला मार्ग सापडतो, पण जी गोष्ट आपल्या मनातच करायची नसते तिकडे आपण मात्र खूप कारण सांगत राहतो. कळलं? आता आपण पुढे करणार आहोत लेसनला सुरुवात. बिफोर दॅट आय एम गोइंग टू रिवाइज फ्यू ऑफ द टॉपिक ऑफ आवर प्रीवियस लेसन. नाउ सी, you tell me now who are the characters in this story. Can you tell me few names? Few names. Yes.
Sir, Professor Aronnax.
Yes, Professor. Very good. Professor what? Aronnax. Then anyone? Only one? He is a narrator. He is a narrator of story. Means he is a narrator. Narrator म्हणजे काय? narrator of story. So this is the novel. So he is a narrator of. Then the Ned Land, then Farragut. Okay. Second one is who is that? That is a Ned Land. Okay. And another one is what? Commander what? Farragut. Farragut. So all these are the what?
सर फॅरेगेटची स्पेलिंग चुकली आहे.
Farragut spelling. Okay. It should be the okay. What should be the there? Oh, I think no. Farragut. It should be the
G-U-T.
सर FARRAGUT.
U-T.
Okay. AGUT. So here it is a UTE. Okay. So this is the correction. Nice. Very good. So this is the very interesting. And there is a battle between the frigate and another, that is a monster. What is your monster here?
Submarine.
Yes.
Submarine.
Monster. Yes, monster. It means here a submarine. It is not real monster, but it is a submarine. Okay. Monster. It means what is it? That is a submarine. Submarine means what? Can you tell me what is? Panbudi. It means either it goes inside the water and always it comes whenever it requires, it floats on the water. म्हणजे ती पाण्यावर पण तरंगते आणि पाण्याच्या खाली पण जाते. Okay. Now we are going to begin our remaining part of our story. First part we have completed. Now I am not going to revise everything because we have very less time. Now one by one, where we completed, that is a page number. Everyone, you should be ready with your page number 100 and para number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Okay. I hope that everyone, you got this page. What is the time there? What is the time there?
10:50. 10:50 in the evening. 10:50
What is the time?
10:50 in the evening.
Oh, no, not 10:50, not 10:50. Sorry, yeah, page number 98. Sorry, page number 98, not 100. It is a page number 98. That is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Page number 98, 5th paragraph. What do you see? Which time do you see there? 6 o'clock. So remaining story we are going to. At 6 o'clock, day begin to break. Day begin to break means it was. Day begin to break means what?
Evening.
No, morning. Day begin to break म्हणजे काय? नाईट असतं ना, तो त्याला आपण day begin to break म्हणतो. सकाळ झाली. And with the dawn's early night, the animals' electric glow disappeared. At 7 o'clock, very dense morning mist spread around us. So, see, this is the 6 o'clock. But then the always now in the winter also, you see the mist. Mist म्हणजे काय रे? What do you see mist? What do you see mist? Mist म्हणजे काय असतं? धुकं. So that the 7 o'clock dense morning mist spread around us. So everywhere it was a mist. White you can see now. It is a mist. And our base spy glasses were unable to pierce it. Means they have the spy glass. Spy glass, it means what? Spy glass.
Durbin.
Yes. To see or to watch something. To see or to watch something. What we do? That this is a what? Spy glass. And who is this? Who is this?
Captain.
Yes, captain. Captain of this ship frigate. Okay, very good. So what it was they were doing? It was they were what? Now the next sentence, see, our base spy classes were unable to pierce it. Pierce it means what? They are not able to see. Pierce म्हणजे छेदणे खरं, पण pierce it means what? They are not able to watch it. The outcome, disappointment and anger. So they can't see anything by using that the spy glasses. So they are what? Now see what we can see now, that see what happened here. What do you see the face? How does it look like? Anger. Anger. You can see his teeth also expression. It was a outcome. Outcome म्हणजे काय, त्यातून expression झालं. Disappointment and anger. Disappointment means what? Nervousness. He was not happy. Okay. So now we are moving story, and always you have to look into your textbook also. Always keep your ready. So simultaneously you can see some of the things. Now see, now 8 o'clock. Now see, this is the situation of the 8 o'clock. The mist rolled away. Now nowadays also see, early in the morning there is a mist everywhere, especially in Mumbai, especially in the winter season. But now the day break, 7 o'clock, then 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, then the mist rolled away. Rolled away म्हणजे काय, सर्व धुकं सर्व निघून जातं आणि आकाश कसं होतं, स्वच्छ होतं. And the horizon grew wider and clearer. Horizon, what do you mean by the horizon?
क्षितिज.
Yes, it is a grew wider. When there is a mist, you can't see anything, but it is a vanishing, then you can see everything very clear. So when there was a mist, it was not so clear. See, the first picture I have shown you. When there was a mist, it was not so clear. It was not so clear. But this picture we have seen, there was a mist. So due to the mist, धुक्यामुळे it was not so clear. So now the next one word, suddenly Ned Land's voice could be heard. Suddenly what? Heard the noise of the Ned Land. And what did he say? What did he say? Asta, read.
Yes, sir. There is the thing in questions.
What question? What? I can't hear your next voice. Aston to
So,
what's
There's the thing in question, Aston to port.
What do you mean by Aston to port? You have seen the picture of this boat, Aston to port. You have seen, no? The picture of this boat. Do you remember? What does it mean?
So,
do you remember? Yes.
जहाजाच्या मागे.
जहाजाच्या मागे. Okay. Now, if you see the picture, you will be able to understand what actually does it mean. So, this is the picture we have seen the last time. Okay. See, Aston to port. That is a whole area. Aston to port. See, Aston to port. From right to the beginning, it is a given clearly in the picture. You can understand, you can observe the picture. Okay. So Aston to port. Now, suddenly the harpooner shouted. What? Harpooner shouted. What do you mean by the harpooner? Every eye look to. Harpooner means what? Can you tell harpooner? What do you mean?
भाला देव माझ्यासाठी मार.
Yes, but here the whale. So when a person, someone is using the harpoon, see, you can see here harpoon. Okay, so there is a harpoon in his hand. Okay, can you see? That is a harpoon. Okay, this is the, you can see now the harpoon clearly. That is the arrow. And the eye look toward the point indicated. Okay, there a mile. Now the next one. There a mile and half from the frigate, long blackish body emerged meter above the waves. So what happened later on? There was, after few distance, they have seen, now see all these team members, that is the Farragut, Ned Land and Aronnax. They were pointing the finger, okay, and from some distance, away from some distance, they can see that both this, what, away from the distance, what is that? There a mile and a half from the frigate, long blackish body emerged a meter above the waves. म्हणजे लाटेच्या वर काय दिसते? Monster. It means that is not really actually monster, but they don't know what actually it is. That is what they call it as a monster. Quivering, violent lead tail was creating considerable current. Quivering means what? Where shaking slightly. It was a shaking slightly. Okay, so that you can see. Now the crew members, all the crew members, they were waiting to get the orders. All the crew members, it means what? All these crew members. Crew members means what? All the people who work on a ship or a plane. You heard this crew member. Crew member means what? These all 5 members where they are working on the frigate. So ते काय करत होते? They are waiting to get orders. त्यांना त्यांच्या लीडर कडून, कॅप्टन कडून, कमांडर कडून ऑर्डरची आवश्यकता होती. They were waiting. The later, after carefully observing the animal, ordered the engineer to sail full steam towards the animal. When they observe the animal, order the engineer to sail full steam. So then what it order? Now run. Don't be a slow now, because we have to chase, and what we have to do, that we have to catch that monster. We have to destroy that monster. 3 cheers greeted this order. Our battle had sounded. So all these 3 cheers means what? All these captain, then the commander, and the Professor Aronnax. A few moments later, Abraham Lincoln headed straight for animal. So it was now chasing. Unconcerned, the later, let us come nearer. It's got up little speed and kept it distance. It kept distance, not going very close. This chase dragged on for about 3/4 of an hour without frigate getting any closer to the sea animal. It was going for how many hours? 3/4 of an hour. 3/4 of an hour it was going. It means almost 45 minutes. At this rate, it was obvious that we would never catch up with it, because the speed was not so much. So whatever we were doing, it was not up to the mark. That is not compared to that monster, that submarine. The Abraham Lincoln gathered speed, but so did the animal. When the Abraham Lincoln speed up, immediately monster also speed up. म्हणजे जशी फ्रिगेटची गती वाढायची तसं मॉन्स्टर पण त्याची गती वाढवायचं. ओके, दिस वेंट फॉर द नेक्स्ट आवर. 1 तासापर्यंत झालं. द अब्राहम लिंकन वॉज नाउ स्पीडिंग सो मच दॅट इट्स mast trembled down to their blocks. So it was a speeding in a such a way. So what happened? That the mast was what? It was a shaking, totally mast. Mast means what? Sheet. ते काय होत होतं? हलत होतं. Okay. What a chase. No, I can't describe the excitement that shook my very being. Ned Land stayed at this post, harpoon in the land. Several times the animal let us approach, Then just as harpooner was about to strike, the cetacean would steal off swiftly. What is mean by the cetacean? Cetacean means what? That is a cetacean means what? A short, large. Cetacean means what? Marine animal like a whale. Cetacean means what? ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? व्हेल मासा म्हणतो, तो त्याला व्हेल म्हटलेला आहे. ओके, सिटेशन शब्द लक्षात ठेवा. कमांडर फॅरागॉट then decided to use more direct methods. कमांडरनी नंतर काय ठरवलं? आणखी त्याची सिस्टीम त्यांनी वापरायचं ठरवलं. ओके, अँड नाउ what? Over to somebody with better aim, the commander shouted, and handed to the man who can pierce that infernal beast. Okay, so this was very, very big fight between the monster and this is the frigate. Now, calm of eye, a cool of future, an old grey bearded gunner, I can see him to this day. Now see, there was one person was there. So what he did before that one? This dialogue. Can you read, Dhanashri?
Yes, sir.
Read.
So that animal is faster than the Abraham Lincoln. All right. Met man, the gun in the bow.
Okay, bow. What do you mean by the bow? Bow means what? Bow means what? किळसवणा, तुच्छता दर्शक, ज्याला काय म्हणतो? An expression of contempt or disagreement. So that animal is faster than the Abraham Lincoln. All right, met man, the gun in the bow. So this is just only the fighting and war between this frigate and the monster. Now see, calm of eye, cool, I am see him this day. Now another person was there. That is this one. Calm of eye, cool of feature, and old grey bearded. This person. Gunner, I can see him to this day approach the cannon, but it in position and look aim for a good while. There was a mighty explosion mingled with cheers from the crew. The shell reached its target. It hit animal. So what did it do? That it hit the animal. So here, what? It hit the animal. See, you can see here the sprinkles here. This is the frigate, and what you see here next, that is the inside below the sea level, that is the monster. So that the calm of eye, cool of feature, and old grey bearded gunner, I can see him to this day. So the shell reached its target, it hit the animal. त्याला काय घेतला, त्याचा वेध घेतला, but bounce off its rounded surface and vanish into the sea 2 miles out. म्हणजे त्याला मारलं त्यांनी, परंतु निशाणा लावला, पण काय झालं? काही उपयोग झाला नाही. तर नेक्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन काय आहे? See now, what is the expression now? That we'll see. Okay. Now what did he say? Chaitali, read. Chaitali.
Yes. Oh drat, that monster must be covered with 6-inch armor plate.
Very good. Oh drat, that monster must be covered with 6-inch armor plate. So he is giving the reactions. Okay. The hunt was on again. Hour after hour went by without the animal showing the least sign weariness. So means there was no tired, means nothing. Just that the monster is running and not easily they can get it. they can destroy. However, it must be said that we too struggle on tirelessly. So the captains, commander, everyone, all these three members, what? They were trying their level best. What? All they were trying their level best, but they were not successful because the monster was very smart. The monster, now see, at 10:50 in the evening, that electric light reappeared 3 miles away from the frigate, just as clear and intense as the night before. So then what time? What time now? It is 10:50.
10:50.
Yes, 10:50. Now see, you can see the picture. At 10:50 in the evening, the electric light reappeared 3 miles away from the frigate, just as clear and intense as the night before. The monster seemed motionless. Was it asleep? Perhaps weary from its workday. Weary means very tired. Okay, just riding with the waves. This was our chance, and Commander Farragut decided to take full advantage of it. He gave his order. The frigate approached without making sound. So this time what? The frigate did not make any sound, and it was what? It was going closer to the, not making and chasing. This was our chance, and Commander Farragut decided to take full advantage of it. He gave his order. The frigate approached without making sound. Stop into cable lanes of the Smith. There was a cable lanes. Cable lanes means what? This is the distance. That is a specific distance is measured in a scientific way. A profound silence reigned over the deck. There was a total silence on the deck. We were not 100 feet from the blazing core of light, whose glow grew stronger and dazzled the eyes. So just then, leaning over the forecastle railing, I saw Ned Land below me, brandishing his dreadful harpoon. So there what? That Ned Land, what he was doing? He was brandishing. Brandishing means what? What do you mean by brandishing? You can see brandishing means just what? ज्याला आपण धार काढणं म्हणतो. Barely 20 feet separated him from the motionless animal. All at once his arm shot forward and the harpoon was launched. I heard the weapon make a ringing sound as if it had some hard substance. So what he did? He tried to target with that harpoon and to destroy. See the position. He took that after brandishing. What he took? He raised his, that is a weapon, harpoon. Huh?
तो त्याचा शिकार पकडण्यासाठी बाण टाकतोय सर.
Yes, that only, that he is throwing, that only I am telling, after brandishing. So all at once his arm shot forward and the harpoon was launched. I heard the weapon make a ringing sound as it had hit some hard substance. The electric light suddenly went out. Two enormous waterfalls crashed on the deck of the frigate. So when he aimed, जेव्हा त्यांनी मारला, त्याचा aim काय केला? See now, arrow pass. Arrow is on the way. And in the next picture, you can see what actually it happened. So here in this picture, you can see that electric light. The electric light suddenly went out and two enormous water spouts. That arrow now almost near to the monster and crash, that water spouts crash onto the deck of the frigate and rocking like torrent from one end of the ship to another. When this thing happened, what next situation it happened? See, the next, as he smashed, immediately what happened? The next, all this water, what? This, when he put the harpooner, aim harpooner at the monster, all the water splash and it sprinkle, it waters, immediately it was almost, see, you can see the pictures, all that water, it came on the frigate and toppling crewmen, all these crewmen, they toppling. What toppling it means? See, toppling. See, this is the word, the picture of the toppling. This water force came and all the crewmen, they toppling, breaking spare mast and yard stump from their lashings. And due to this, total damage of what? See, you can see the damage of now the frigate. What, how it happened? Total it, what? It is a broken and not existed because it was a very difficult to hard to destroy. So you can see all these pictures and you can understand what actually the situation it happened. So all these broken and there is no more existence of the frigate. So that is a hideous collision occurred and thrown over the rail with no time to catch hold of it. I was hurled into the sea. So everyone, all the crew members, then the commander, then the Ned Land, Farragut, everyone, they thrown into the sea. So this way, this is the story of the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea by Jules Verne. You learn. Now we are going to see some few of the questions. Before that, I would like to share you some few of the words, and that words are very important. Now see, Dhanashri.
Yes, sir.
Dhanashri, please
Yes,
read
sir.
all these difficult words.
Sir, I can read Chaitali.
Okay, Chaitali, कोणी पण वाचलं तरी चालेल मला. चैताली वाच बरं. ठीक आहे, चैताली.
Chasing the sea monster. First one, to get up to take a sudden bath with
एक मिनिट. तुझा आवाज पण क्लिअर येत नाहीये. एक मिनिट. तुझा ना आवाज क्लिअर येत नाहीये, म्हणून मी पुन्हा सांगतो की कोणाला वाचायला सांगितलं मी. चैताली वाच. उत्कर्ष वाच.
Yes, sir. To take sudden breath with your mouth open. Second, to stun. To make a person surprised, shocked. Third, mute. Unable to speak. Fourth, monster. Big scary animal. Fifth, frigate.
No, एक minute. Just a minute. Frigate. I'll correct you. Frigate, not frigate. Frigate.
Small speedy ship used in war.
War नहीं, war.
War. Unearthly. Strange, not like those found on earth. Luminous. Shines in the dark. To dash. To hit something with great force. Meanwhile, during the same time, flee. To run away from something. Astonishment. Very great surprise.
Very good.
Fearsome. Scary, frightening.
See, scary, then there is a comma, and frightening. Read slowly. Utkarsha, you are reading very nicely and I can hear your voice. बघा, तुम्ही सर्वांना वाचायला संधी मी देतो, पण काही जणांचा आवाज येत नाही आणि मी नेहमी शब्द तुम्हाला पाठवत असतो की प्रॅक्टिस करा, but you are not practicing. So everyone, you have to what? You have to practice it. And if you practice, then definitely you are going to learn. Now there are the 7 pages. 7 pages. So now who is going to read?
Sir, मी चैताली वाचू का?
हाँ चैताली वाच.
Creature.
नाही क्रिएचर नाही. एक मिनिट. हे बघ, पहिलाच चुकला तुझा. क्रिएचर नाही, क्रीचर. काय? क्रीचर.
creatures, a living thing such as an animal, a bird, or an insect, but not a plant.
जरा माईक जवळ धर. हा.
Frigate, small speedy ship used in war to defend, to protect somebody or something from harm or danger. Crew, all the
क्र्यू नाही.
people
एक मिनिट हा शब्द बघा कसे वाचायचे त्यासाठी मुद्दाम घेतले. क्र्यू नाही आहे हा. ह्याचा उच्चार आहे CREW. क्र्यू आपण मराठी किंवा इतर लोक आपण इंडियन लोक आपण त्याचा उच्चार काय क्रू आहे. काय आहे क्रू. काय आहे क्रू. हा.
Crew, all the people who work on a ship, aircraft, to mimic, to copy the way somebody moves, to complete.
कम्प्लीट नाही, टू कॉम्पीट आहे. एल नाहीच आहे तिकडे.
To try to win or achieve something. Glowworm, a type of insect. Deafening, a noise so loud as to make it impossible.
एक मिनिट. हा डिफनिंग नाही, डेफनिंग आहे. काय आहे डेफनिंग आहे.
Deafening.
बहिरेपण करणार ना. डेफनिंग. हा. कंटिन्यू.
Deafening, a noise so loud as to make it impossible to hear anything. Resembling, to be look like somebody or something else.
एल्स नाही, एल्स.
Out, to send out liquid with great force. To expel, to send something out by force.
एक्सपल नाही, ते आहे का एक्सपेल आहे. EXPEL एक्सपेल. एक्सपेल. हा, व्हेरी गुड. आता आस्था. ओहो. हा आस्था रीड. अरे पान गेलं ते कुठे. हा. स्क्रीन शेअर होत नाहीये. काय कळत नाही. स्क्रीन शेअर होत नाही. मला तर वाटतं काय गडबड आहे का कळत नाही. हा वाचता येते. असं आलेलं आहे स्क्रीन शेअरिंग हॅज फेल्ड टू स्टार्ट. प्लीज ट्राय अगेन लेटर. ओके नाउ सी आस्था इज नॉट रेडी.
सर मी वाचू निधी.
निधी
वाचू.
अगं मी बोलल्याने मला कळत नाही. नाव काय मी पाहत नाही. मी धनश्री वाच बरं. आस्थाचं मी नाव पुकारलं होतं.
ट्रेमेंडस पॉवर.
बघा एक मिनिट. ट्रेमेंडस नाही, ट्रेमेंडस. काय ट्रेमेंडस.
Sentences. Marine animal like a whale. Spurt to come out quickly with great force. After deck. An open deck toward the stern of a ship. Blowholes. The nostril of the hole on the top of the head. Lurking hinding. Railing. A fence that is made of metabars. Explode. To burst with a loud noise. Dreadful.
एक मिनिट. टू बर्स्ट आहे. ब्रस्ट नाही. टू बर्स्ट विथ अ लाउड नॉइज. नेक्स्ट वन.
Dreadful. Very bad or unpleasant.
Very good. Now see, I'll give chance to someone else, because see, this is a lesson in which so many difficult words are there, and if you do not learn all these difficult words, कारण तुम्हाला धडा समजण्यासाठी याची जी vocabulary आहे ती तुम्हाला कळली पाहिजे. Okay. Now who is going to read? Piyush.
सर निधी गुजर.
Sir, Lata.
Mist, a cloud made of very small drops of water in the air just above the ground that makes it difficult to see. On the alert, ready on the lookout. Whaling gear, equipment used to hunt whales. Spyglass, a small telescope. Outcome, the way a thing turns out. A Consequence.
एक आली एक त्याचा उच्चार काय? अ कॉन्सिक्वेन्स. कॉन्सिक्वेन्स. हा. नेक्स्ट. आवाज गेला.
A long thin weapon with a sharp pointed end and a rope tied to it that is used to catch large sea animals, whales. Harpooner, a person who used a harpoon.
Listen. एक मिनिट. Harpooner काय आहे? Harpooner.
A person who uses a harpoon especially to hunt whales. Emerged, come out.
Okay, so now there is one more page. There are 3 pages actually. 4th, then the 5th page. Now who is going to read?
Sir, can I do Utkarsh?
हाँ, उत्कर्ष झाला ना?
Yes, sir.
उत्कर्ष झाला ना? हाँ?
Sir,
चैताली वाचलं?
हो टीचर. हो सर.
बरं. आयुष, पियुष.
सर चैताली 2 आहेत.
हाँ बरं चैताली वाच एक. बरं चैताली, सेकंड चैताली. Fast. Fast.
Queuing, shaking,
Slightly. SLIGST. Slightly. हाँ.
Must. If there wooden or metal pole for a flag, a ship, seal, etc.
एक मिनट. Mast, a tall wooden or metal pole for a flag, a ship, sails, etc. Obvious, easily understood, clear. Excitement, a feeling of being excited. Ba, an expression of contempt or disagreement. Kidas darshak, tuchhata darshak, udgar. Cannon, a large gun on a ship. Cannoneer, a artilleryman who positioned and fired a cannon, tofkhana. Infernal, extremely annoying, irritating, and tiresome. Dread, a mild expression of annoyance or irritation. Tras, rag. So we have very less time, so I am little bit now faster. So all the words, pronunciation, weariness, a temporary feeling of a low energy and tiredness, damduk, thakwa. Profound, deep. Launch, set. A boat in motion by pushing it or allowing it to roll into the water. Forecastle, the forward part of a ship below the deck, traditionally used as the crew's living quarters. Brandishing, moving to and fro. Lashings, used especially about wind, rain, and storms to hit something with great force. Enormous, very big. Torrent, huge speedy stream of water. Hurl, thrown. And now the last page, it is there because so many words are means vocabulary you should learn. Water spout, a rotating column of water and spray formed by a whirlwind occurring over the sea. Yardarm, the outer extremity of a ship's yard. So I hope that everyone, you understood, and some few of the questions I am going to ask you. Okay, please answer my questions. Okay, are you ready to answer my questions? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see, what is here the monster means? What is the monster means actually here?
Submarine.
Submarine. Okay, very nice. Submarine. Okay. Now see, how many members you have seen in this lesson? Can you tell me the name of the members?
Sir,
Dhanashri?
sir, Lata सांगू का?
हाँ, सांग बरं लता.
Professor Aronnax.
हाँ, very good.
आणि Commander Farragut.
हाँ, Farragut. हाँ. आणि
Sir, Ned Land.
आणि Ned
हाँ.
Okay, Ned Land. Okay, very good. So that you told all the names. I hope that this is the story is very simple, because this story actually submarine is there, but they did not understood. It is a means not submarine, but it is a monster. So they were chasing, and at last it was so hard. So they whatever they tried, but they became unsuccessful. So I hope that everyone you understood this story.
Yes, sir.
And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Now see some of the words which I'll write here, and you have to tell me the correct pronunciation, because see many of you are not able to correct pronounce the word. Okay, so if you correct it, then definitely see I'll write now a few words here, and you have to now see I write one word and you have to pronounce. Yes, what is the pronunciation? What is the pronunciation?
Forecastle.
Forecastle. Forecastle.
Forecastle. See, the pronunciation is actually, what is that? See.
Forecastle.
See.
Forecastle.
This is the pronunciation, but we are using the R also. So, but it is not there, because see, now see, I am going to teach that also. आपल्याला हे डिक्शनरी मध्येच आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी कळतं. If you see the dictionary, it is written. बघा डिक्शनरी मध्ये हे आपण हे मराठीमुळे आपल्याला त्याचा प्रॉपर उच्चार जो असतो तो आपल्याला कधी कधी काय असतं कळत नाही. आता ह्याच्यावरून आपल्याला कळतं डिक्शनरी जेव्हा तुमची स्टँडर्ड जी डिक्शनरी असते त्याच्यामध्ये हा उच्चार दिलेला असतो. आपण मराठीमध्ये आपण शब्दाप्रमाणे FORE आर आहे म्हणून त्या आरचा उच्चार करतो, टी आहे, पण या ठिकाणी काय आहे तसं नाही आहे. हा फ आहे, हा औ आहे, हा का आहे, इकडे पण हा का होत नाही, क होतो, स, आणि या ठिकाणी हा ल, एवढेच उच्चार होतात. म्हणजे आपण जे म्हणतो की फोरकास्टल, आपण मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणणार फोरकास्टल, कारण टी पण आहे, पण प्रोनाउन्सिएशन मध्ये ते वेगळे असतात. मी तुम्हाला हे सगळे शब्द पाठवलेले आहेत, पण तुम्ही काय करायला पाहिजे ते तसेच्या तसे म्हणण्याचा प्रयत्न करायला पाहिजे. अजून एक मी शब्द घेतो, आपण एकदा ते प्रोनाउन्सिएशनचा एक टॉपिक आपण एकदा रीडिंग मध्ये घेणार आहोत, कारण बऱ्याचदा आपण प्रत्येक शब्दाचा उच्चार करतो पण तो उच्चार तिकडे तसा नसतो. ओके, आणि आपण मग ते उच्चार पण आपले तसेच राहतात. ओके, आता आपण आणखीन एक शब्द घेऊया आणि नंतर आपला वेळ पण संपणार आहे. मी सगळे शब्द तुम्हाला पाठवले होते. इनॉर, हा, ह्याचा उच्चार काय आहे?
इनॉर्मस.
इनॉर्मस. सर निधी.
हाँ.
एनॉर्मस. एनॉर्मस.
Enormous.
एनॉम.
Enormous.
एनॉर्मस.
Enormous.
एनॉर्मस सर.
थांबा एक मिनिट. याचा उच्चार आहे
Enormous.
इनॉर्मस.
असा उच्चार मी तुम्हाला दिला होता. कळले की नाही? तुमच्या डिक्शनरी मध्ये आपल्याला डिक्शनरी पण तुम्हाला वाचायला शिकवणार आहे. डिक्शनरी रीडिंग मध्ये जर तुम्ही नीट वाचली तर तुम्हाला तिकडे तो शब्द अशा प्रकारे लिहिलेला आहे. कारण आपण प्रत्येक आपल्याला मराठीमध्ये जसे आहेत त्याच्यानुसार आपण हा काय आहे, ई आहे, हा न आहे, हा अ आहे, हा म आहे आणि हा अ आहे आणि हा स आहे. इनॉर्मस. इनॉर्मस. पण आपण मराठीमध्ये आपण काय करतो, बरोबर आहे, आपलं काही चुकीचं नाहीये कारण आपली भाषाच मराठी आहे. मग आपण काय करतो, एकतर ई म्हणजे एनॉर्मस करतो किंवा इनॉर्मस करतो. पण हा आर काय आहे या ठिकाणी सायलेन्स आहे. कारण कधी कधी बघा एग्ज असतो. आता समजा शब्द आहे एग्ज आहे, तर मग आपण एग्जचा काय करतो इकडे उच्चार, ई असला तर आपल्याला काय होतो इकडे एग झाला. बरोबर आहे, एग्ज, सॉरी एग्ज, बरोबर आहे. आता या ठिकाणी ई आहे तर ए झाला.
सर इझलँड मध्ये एस सायलेंट असतो.
कुशाल?
इझलँड मध्ये.
हा ओके, तर आपण तो टॉपिक घेणार रीडिंगचा, कारण मी बरेच शब्द तुम्हाला पाठवले पण बऱ्याच जणांनी त्याकडे लक्ष दिलं नाही आणि ते शब्द सर्व चुकीचे अजूनपर्यंत वाचतात आहे. सो यू हॅव टू प्रॅक्टिस इट अगेन. रीडिंग शुड बी इम्प्रूव्ड. लेसन कशासाठी असतात? प्रश्नांची उत्तरे नाहीत, बट यू शुड ट्राय टू इम्प्रूव्ह युअर प्रोनाउन्सिएशन. ओके, आय होप that you understood everything. Lesson you have to read it again, watch the movie, watch videos and solve workshop. Now I am going to give you the homework. पहिला होमवर्क काय तुम्हाला होमवर्क आहे, सगळ्यांनी काय करायचंय, कॉपी ऑल डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स. किती आहेत ते? 7 पेजेस आहेत. किती पेजेस आहेत? 7 पानं आहेत. मी ते तुम्हाला फॉरवर्ड करणार आहे. 7 पेजेस आहेत, राईट?
येस.
आणि तुम्हाला आणखीन एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी मी देतोय. काय करायचंय, पुट राईट किंवा टाईप म्हणायचं. मी म्हणतो टाईप डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स इन गुगल. गुगल मध्ये काय करायचं, तुम्ही तो शब्द जो तुम्हाला आहे तो काय करायचा, टाईप करायचा. गुगल सर्च म्हणतो ना आपण त्याला, गुगल, अँड लिसन प्रोनाउन्सिएशन. एकदम सिंपल आहे. कळले की नाही? आपल्याला कुठलाही शब्द जर कठीण वाटला किंवा काय असेल तर गुगल मध्ये जायचं आणि त्याच्यावर तो टाईप करायचा. समजा तुम्हाला तो आता मी फोरकासल आहे, जो शब्द तुम्हाला वाटतो तो तिकडे टाकायचा आणि तिकडे टच करायचं. आणि तिकडे एक स्पीकर सारखं असतं, तिकडे टच केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला प्रोनाउन्सिएशन येणार. तो 5-7 वेळा ऐकायचा हेडफोन लावून आणि तसा मग तो उच्चार आपल्या वहीमध्ये लिहून घ्यायचा. ओके, सर्वांनी शब्द काळजीपूर्वक ऐकायचे. आणि तिसरा वर्कशॉप तुम्हाला काय आहे, रीड द लेसन. आणि वर्कशॉप काय आहे, अँड write workshop. Okay, आणि send your homework for correction. Okay, so you have to send your homework okay. So this is the homework for you. I hope that everyone you understood the today's topic, and everyone you have to listen. आपले उच्चार जर सुधारायचे असतील तर यू हॅव अ टेक्नॉलॉजी. जसं आपण ऑनलाईन क्लास घेतोय तसे आपल्याला एक सुंदर मार्ग आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर टुडेज क्लास.